On the dark roads of Montana, there's a shadow in the dirt, the whisper of a mountaineer in a ragged flannel shirt. He walks the stony hillsides with his mandolin in hand, but you'll never see his face around this long forgotten land. And he hides beneath the veil of the night, and the forest keeps him sheltered from the light. And the echoes of the canyons keep his memory in flight. They say he left his cabin in the fall of '63, but he left a fire burning by the dried out cedar tree. The flames, they caught the branches, and it soon engulfed his home. The smell of smoke awoke the town downwind from Calderon, and the searchlights carved the hillsides, and the dogs were on the chase. The rangers from Missoula searched in every open space. For 3 days they were waiting, and they never found a trace. They never found a body, but he haunts us just the same. He's watching as you dance behind the flame. The sad songs that he's playing on a dusty mandolin, suspended like a feather in the gentle